Hey guys, we received this dream pairs kids girls sandals. So you can see it comes in a nice pack and let me just open this up. So this one have the glitters on the top. So that looks beautiful while wearing it. So the nice design and the style. So this is like around 1.5 inch in the heel and looks really nice with the glittering rhinestone straps. So nice total area, and you can see a nice rhinestone strap on the top. So it looks really nice and easily can be weared or as a style. With the memory foam cushion, it's really comfortable as well. So very nice shoe for the girls, the sandals for the girls.